Hi guys, it's 7:14 and I'm trying to make my way back. Taken Max for a walk. I've had a drone over my head. You know how irritating those are. Like some kind of buzzing noise over my head with a bright light shining on it. I just had a message off of Flirt Finder asking me if I was well or something. Let's check it out. I had a drone flying over my head with a shiny bright light on it. How are you? Mark 793 706. How are you? They still max a minute. Let's get that. How are you? And I had a drone above my head with a shiny bright light on it. Mark from Flirt Finder. So we know it's going to be a bit of a shitty weekend, right? We know that. Well, it's actually been quite okay. I mean, this afternoon I took a TikTok video of a lovely blue boat and put it on my TikTok. So I had a great afternoon. So this Mark has texted me. Let's look what else he's got to say. Just walking back home. I hate what worries me about a drone is it can hit you on the head, can't it? It can hit you on the head. I'm okay, thanks. I finished work for the weekend. I wondered if you'd like to meet for a cup of tea or drink. Have you got WhatsApp or a contact number? Let me try and get back home first before I reply to that. That does worry me about drones when they get close to your head and can fall on top of your head. It's an irritating buzzing noise, isn't it? It just is a horrible noise. And I've just had the train announcements going at full force, really loud. The guy's been yelling down the microphone, the train announcements. So a drone with a light on. It's getting dark, isn't it? I've got one myself, I haven't used it yet. I wouldn't fly it near people. Well, I try not to anyway, sometimes you can't obviously help it. Can you? It's very, very quiet. At 7:20, but I came out early anyway because I wanted to come out before it starts getting too dark. Shame about that bowl. I'd put a bowl out myself. It'd have to be metal, wouldn't it? Okay. Friday night, guys. I'm not going anywhere. I still feel safe in my home. So if someone wants to meet me for a cup of tea, well, that's exciting, isn't it? I wonder if they mean a real cup of tea or a virtual cup of tea. You don't have to pay for a virtual cup of tea, do you? Am I well? Bright lights, bright lights. Bright lights. Managed to get all the way around that field without listen to that. Deafening. Are you well, Crystal? I've gone deaf and I can't see properly. Groovy music. Asda. I had Tesco's yesterday, didn't I? Asda lorry coming down the road. Oh. Now what time are we on? Well, I'm normally still on the field at 7:20, but we're back early. Oh God, there's that dog. This way. No, Max. Let's go this way. Asda down the bottom. This way. Let's try the back. Smell chips. Smell some chips. I think someone's had a McDonald's. Smell the McDonald's.